Welcome to Kittle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use multimodal in GenAI. Multimodal systems process and integrate multiple types of data inputs, such as text, images, audio, and video, to enhance understanding such as virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, and healthcare systems, enabling more natural human-machine interactions. The multimodal architecture processes text, audio, and image through dedicated encoders that convert each input into numerical embeddings. These embeddings are mapped into a common embedding space for uniformity. A multimodal fusion layer then merges them into a unified representation, which is processed by a transformer-based model to capture cross-modal relationships. Finally, the output is passed to a task-specific head, enabling applications like classification, retrieval, and generation. To begin, import libraries like Do10, Google GenAI, Base64, and others. Now create a function to initialize the Gemini flashed LLM model. Next, we define a function to process images and handle user queries. We then integrate the Streamlit UI code. It allows us to build an interactive user interface where users can enter text queries or upload images for analysis. Once the UI is set up, initialize the main class and call the necessary functions to establish the workflow. Now run the Streamlit UI. Once it is launched, users will see an input field where they can type their questions. Upon submitting a query, the Gemini flashed LLM will process the input, analyze the context, and generate a well-structured, concise, and accurate response. Additionally, users can upload an image, and upon clicking the Analyze button, the model generates a descriptive output. Coming onto its use cases, in e-commerce, it enables image and text-based product recommendations. Education benefits from interactive learning with speech and visual aids. In entertainment, it enhances gaming and AR/VR with audio, visual, and haptic feedback for immersive experiences. Stay tuned for more tutorials on GenAI. Thank you for watching.